Hey guys, it's Mark.
And Linda.
And these are our
X Adventures.
Where are we at today, Linda?
I have no idea, but I did see the South Side World Trade Center.
Oh yeah,
Was it the South Side?
There's a World Trade Center over here. I'm not certain.
Anyway.
But yeah, we're here during, oh, there's a Shinkansen. What? The N700 Supreme rocking by. So yeah, they got fast trains. We're right here at this train station, Hamamatsucho. I'm not certain.
Dude, stop.
Why do I even try?
Butchering,
anyway,
just like me.
We're gonna try to show you guys some
Look
of
at the
these
cherry blossoms.
right? We're gonna try to do that. There's a whole park right behind us here that is just full of them. So.
Ooh, that was a look from hell.
Hey.
He went.
Yeah, he's not even Japanese giving us the stink eye, so stop it, Italian.
The guy, I thought he was German. He might be Italian. I don't know, but he's
walking like a
like
German.
everybody else. All right, anyway. Yeah, so you gotta have fun, right?
Let's have some fun. There's another one. Okay, we got off the monorail on the way to the airport just to make sure we could get this video for you guys, so please just watch. Guys, we finally made it inside the park. It is 150 yen each to get in here, and they will hold your luggage if you're coming down from the station with ungodly amounts of luggage, which we really should not be.
No, we really shouldn't, but we're going to see this before the rain starts, so.
Yes, I mean, we are going to see some Sakura.
Yes, we are.
So let's go.
know that it's over. I know that it's right. I know that I made it over today. It's coming down. I know you wanna be a better. I'm not the one that you wanna. I know you wanna be a better. I know you want to. I know that it's over. I know you wanna be gone, and I can hold you. Oh no. I know that it's over, but I can fade away. I know that I can get closer. I know that I can stay for safe. I know you wanna be a better. I know that I can get close, and I can hold you. I know.
Thanks for joining us on that little excursion through this Sakura laden park. I don't know if it came through on camera, but it is astounding. It is epic. It is so cool. We got off of our train and came down here to see it in person.
Gorgeous.
I mean, just absolutely
come on.
stunning.
It's beautiful. I would
We'll write
love
the
to have
name of the
seen
park.
it
Yeah.
in the sun, but it is raining right now, so we're gonna
All right.
get out of here.
We're in Japan at the beginning of April, and so it is cold and wet, but we get these guys anyway. Fantastic. Anyway, thanks guys. Thanks for watching.